just because of the spreadsheet database, it can easily be used to as a CRM. Okay, you can easily delete, and you can easily just like you use in Excel, you can easily copy and paste here. Okay, and just the Command Z or Control Z to go back. And like here, it's a CRM, right? The customer data are here, the full name, work email, company name, and so on. And now I want to use this data sheet to generate a form and let the customer to just fill in the form, like for example for your website, and then data will easily come here. What can we do here? We can just add a view. We can just click here and create a form for this view, and just one click, and then you can see the form. You can easily modify it. Okay, here you can collapse the options. Now here is a form, and then we can make this form to connect with the automation. That's what I have already done here. I use this form to connect to the automation here, like you can see here. I set two automation. It's very easy to set it. One is when someone they submit it, and then you will get a list notification to Slack, just like the trigger is the form is submitted, and then send a message to Slack. It's when select the form inquiry form and then send to the message to Slack. And it's very easy to set here. Okay, use the markdown, just type and use the field of the datasheet. Another one is the greeting email. I have already set here. And also the trigger is the form submitted and then send email. As you can see here, I have already added the email here. When someone they fill the form, one notification to our team, another notification, auto greeting email will send to the customer. Let's check it. Like this one, we will see what happened. For example, I share this link outside. As you can see here, I just share the link outside. When people use this link to collect the information, now I'm a customer. I get this link, I fill the form. AITable.ai, AITable.ltd, company size. Okay, I want an AI CRM. Just submit, and then you can see here has come a list just for me, just from the customer here, and then we'll easily, because I filled this work email, and so I have already get the email here. As you can see, I should get an email here, right? Click here, right? Hi, Gary, I'm your AITable consultant. Okay, all these are automatically. Now this is just for testing. And also for the Slack, as you can see here, you can see this is also the automation push to here. If I click the URL here, it will shift back. It will shift back to this record, expanded record. Close it. That's it. That's what I just filled here. And then let's back to. Based on the one-click creation form and the automation, we can build up a very strong, very powerful CRM.